Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a Malta work permit. First, understand that Malta operates a single permit system for non-EU nationals, which conveniently combines both residence and work authorization into one application. The most critical initial step is securing a valid job offer from a registered Maltese employer. Once you have this, your employer will begin the process by applying for an employment license on your behalf. This sets the foundation for your entire application journey. To ensure a smooth application, gather all essential documents. You'll need a valid passport with at least 6 months of remaining validity, along with a recent passport-sized photo. Prepare a detailed CV, certified copies of your educational qualifications, and a police clearance certificate issued within the last 6 months. Additionally, proof of secure accommodation in Malta and comprehensive health insurance covering your entire stay are absolutely mandatory for your application. Once your documents are ready, your employer will submit the single permit application to Identità, Malta's identity and immigration agency, often through their online portal. The standard application fee for a single permit is Euros 280.50. While the typical processing time ranges from 2 to 3 months, certain highly skilled professionals may qualify for fast-track options like the Key Employee Initiative, which can significantly reduce waiting times. Patience is key during this stage. After your application receives an approval in principle, you'll use this letter to apply for a Type D national visa, allowing you to enter Malta. Once you arrive, you must attend an appointment to provide your biometric data and finalize your single permit application with Identità. This final step is crucial for receiving your e-residence card, which grants you the legal right to live and work. Remember to check the description for links to helpful resources and other great deals, including Little Tree's black ice to keep your car fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.